Hey guys, David, HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And wait till you see this. We went a long way to get this truck, and I'm going to show you why in just a little bit. This is a 2011 Ford F550. This is a big GVW, guys. This is 18,000 pound GVW. That's a real truck. And it's even a crew cab. Got all kinds of cool stuff, like the little turn signals built right into the mirrors right there. This is a gas burner. You're not going to have to worry about the DEF and the check engine lights and all the problems that come with the Powerstroke. So that's a good thing. Hey, and look at this. Holy mackerel. She's four-wheel drive with lockouts. How do you beat that? You just can't find these anymore. So far, let's sum this up. 2011. Gas, automatic, lockout, four-wheel drives. Got a nice little, I guess I'm going to call that maybe a 9-foot body on there, stake body. Such a pretty truck, and you're going to love this. 34,000 miles. Now you know why we went all the way to Arizona to get this truck. This thing is like the day it came off the assembly line. Now I'm not going to lie to you. Just had a few scrapes and chips and all that kind of stuff on it, so we resurfaced the paint on it. That's it. We don't fix dents, we don't do welding, we don't hide stuff. This has got an all steel deck on it, headache rack, interlocking metal stakes on it. Fuel tank is right there, of course. Nicely done truck. It's got a nice heavy-duty trailer hitch on back, and I don't know if it'll pick that up or not for you. That says it's a 12,000 pound hitch with a 7,500 pound with a ball on it. So nice heavy-duty hitch. Nicely done, straight truck, tires are good, gas motor. Now that little drip you see underneath there, that's from the air conditioning because it's a little humid here today. Nice truck. Look at this. Oh, locked out. Oh well, I guess I can't show it to you. Hey, while I come around here, take a look. There's your tow hooks right there. That's not for you. That's in case you got to tow somebody else out of the ditch, because we know you'd never do anything like that, right? Take a look at this. Crew cab. Look at how clean this is. 34,000 miles. Hey, I'm going to just turn this radio off. I guess we know it works now. Hey, look at this. Look at how clean that is. Look at the floor mats. Don't look like it's hardly been stepped on. And of course, it's got the seats that fold up so you can have extra storage and all that kind of good stuff. Look at how clean this is, guys, up north. You don't see any rust on our trucks. We don't allow it. Look at there, 34,000 miles. Hey, look at there, power locks, power window, power mirrors. That's kind of nice. Built into the steering wheel right there. You got cruise control, on, off, set, plus, minus, all that kind of good stuff. Nice little truck. Hey, I see a tilt wheel right there too. This is interesting. This has got individual bucket seats in it up front. So bucket seats up front, 3 passengers in the back. I count 5. So there you go, 5 passenger. And one thing I like also, that's got the manual lever for the four-wheel drive, so you don't have to rely on some electronic box to go bad on you. Not going to happen because we don't have it. On the dashboard, air conditioning unit, heater and air conditioning right there, feels very good. It's kind of warm today. You saw it dripping up front. That's a sound system. We already heard that running. Nice quality, nice piece. It says CD, AM, FM. Let me see. I see a little thing there for phone and a little thing for auxiliary. So I guess you plug your MP3 player or whatever you have in there. You always got the extra switches on Ford, so if you want to add a light or whatever you can. But like I was telling you, 34,000 miles. That's it. We drove this Phoenix, Arizona. It's about a 15 or a 1600 mile trip. It's not just across the water. We drive these things a long way. Look how clean this is. Unbelievable. You got your little lights up there. You got sunglass holders. There's probably a mirror. Yeah, there's a mirror back there. Everything to make you look pretty. Such a nice piece. As I said, This is a 2011 F550. Sometimes this focuses, sometimes it doesn't. I'm going to read it to you. That says it has a 18,000 pound GVW. And this is just a release for the door and back. Super solid truck. Listen, it's running, guys. If you notice on the dashboard, no check engine lights. We don't do that either. So let's see here, 2011 heavy duty F550, 18,000 pound capacity, V8 gas, 4-wheel drive, lockout hubs. The box on it doesn't look like it's hardly been used. The seats don't look like it's hardly been used because it's only got 34,000 miles on it. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. We're right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.